whether that is shift.
I chose tomorrow for the test.
Okay. You choose the dates. Okay, fine.
So tomorrow I'm having the test.
So I hope everybody knows the topic, na? Everybody knows the topic, or anyone who don't know the topic? Be very careful while giving the test. I have a good expectations from, so I just don't want you people to.
Good morning, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. You just woke up? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Nothing. Okay. Students, let's just start with the things, right? So now, first of all, the question number 4 says, a two-wheeler covers distance of 55.3 kilometers in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance it will cover in 10 liters of petrol? So what do you people need to do over here?
We should multiply 53.3 into 10.
Yes. And who will tell me the statement? Anyone who would like to tell me the statement? See, whenever you get a word problem, you have to first write the statement. So quickly tell me what will be the statement. Anyone? Aman, you tell me. What would be the statement?
May I try first?
Okay. Everybody? In this question, like the question says, it's something like that. For example, I said, for rupees 1, you are getting 5 chocolates. Okay. So for rupees 20, how many chocolates you will get? So you will say 20 multiplied by 5. That means you will get 100 chocolates. So this is the same question. Okay. So now quickly do this. You just need to multiply it and then we'll discuss the answer.
Finished.
Okay, everybody finished?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Quickly.
Ma'am, I got your. I'm finished.
Okay. Everybody finish? Yes. Suleiman and Hassan, your both answers, both of you, your answers are correct. So I'm just doing it here and let's just discuss. Okay. So in 1 liter of petrol, right? The total distance covered is the total distance. My writing pad is a little bit messy today, so kindly bear. Total distance covered is 55.3 kilometers, right? And in 10 liter of petrol, the total distance covered would be 55.3 multiplied by 10. So my answer would be 553.0, right? Kilometer. So you can write it like this, 553 kilometers. Everybody got this? Anyone who did
Yes,
something
ma'am.
else and they got did something? Okay, everybody got this, right? Yes? No? Anyone who got something else?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'll give you one more question. I'll give you 10 questions. Okay, so quickly do this. So find all this. You have to simply multiply and get the answer. Okay, so all the 10 questions, quickly do it, all the 10 parts, and then we'll discuss the answer. Quickly. Okay. Students, Hassan, you are writing the answers, right? You are writing the answer is 15 upon 2 like this. Yes? But when you multiply to decimal, your answer should be in decimal. Getting it? Got it? Hassan? Hassan, am I audible? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me? 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 Can you
Yes, ma'am.
So your answer should be in decimal. If you are doing it like this, see, the first method which I taught you people, like everybody, was like, for example, it is 2.5 multiplied by 0.3. So you can simply do it like this, 25 multiplied by 0.3, right? So 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, and then 7, right? You got 75. Yes, and then 0 0. So you got 075. I hope everybody got this, right? So after this, after how many numbers? One number and two number. So your answer would be 0.75, right? The first method which I taught. Okay, yes, like this you have to write. Okay, everybody finish?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, okay, I'll wait for one more minute. Quickly do this. Hassan, your all answers are correct. Those who are done, you can drop your answers in the chat box. Not a problem. Okay. And now I think everybody would have finished. Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No, Ananya, quickly. And those who are done, like Hassan dropped all the answers in the chat box, and Hassan, your all the answers are correct. Those who are done, you can drop your answer in the chat box. Just remember that while sending it, just send it to me. Okay, instead of sharing to everyone.
Ma'am, I understand that please.
Sorry. Okay, everyone, kindly switch on your cameras because I need to see, because I just got a text from counselor that everybody, it's compulsory for everyone to switch on the cameras so that I can see you people are doing all. Okay, so everybody you can switch. Ananya did, Aman, Hepzibah, Hassan and Uzair, you people also kindly switch on the camera, and it's basically I can only see it, not others can see it. So you people are safe enough. Okay, quickly. Aman, Hepzibah, Hassan and Uzair, you also kindly do the same. Okay, good. Aman, only you are left. Aman, can you hear me? Others, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then why Aman can't hear me? Aman, can you hear me? Okay, so now everybody finished, or anyone who is still doing? Ananya, you are done?
Ma'am, I didn't.
You didn't understand which one? All the questions or only few parts?
Ma'am, I didn't understand this.
This question.
Yes.
Uh, okay. Anyone else with this that they didn't understand? Anyone? Okay. So Ananya, I'll do this again. Let me just first get the answers from everybody and then I'll teach you this. Okay, it's very simple. You can also do it. Okay. I think you know the simple multiplication, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So just multiply this. 107 and 002. Multiply this in your notebook quickly. Hassan, your all the answers were correct. Hepzibah, I think you are also done. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Let's just wait. Okay. So, Ananya, you keep on doing this. Just do the multiplication. Okay. And others, you people can tell me. The second one, Hepzibah, you tell me what you got for the second one.
I got 5.17.
Yes. Everybody got this 5.17? Yes. Anyone who got the different answer? Okay. The third one, Uzair, you tell me what you got for the third one.
63.36.
So, everybody got this 63.36? 36, sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. For the fourth one, who will tell me? Hassan, you tell me.
403.
Okay, 403. So everybody got this 403. That is like 4.03. Yes? Yes, Hassan?
Yes, ma'am.
I asked you because in the when you wrote this also, you just wrote this. Okay? So I'm just doing it here. 13 and 13. Sorry, 31. Okay? So 313 and 111. 33 is 9 and 31 is 3. Right? So 3, 10 and 4. You got 403. So after how many number the decimal is? Tell me.
1.
Yeah. One here and one here. So in total it is
2.
2. So your answer would be this, right? Yes or no? It would be 403 or 4.03. You tell me.
4.03.
Yes. The fifth one, Uzair, you tell me the fifth one.
0.025.
Yes. Everybody got this 0.025? Yes. Just say yes if you got the same. In case no, then tell me no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And the sixth one, Ananya, okay, not Ananya. Okay, Hepzibah, you tell me the sixth one.
I got 0.0214.
Sixth one, not seventh one.
Yeah, okay. 1.68.
Yes, 1.680, right, everybody? Okay, now coming to the next one. Ananya, you solve this? Ananya.
Ma'am, this seventh one, right?
Yes, the one which I marked. This one. 1.0, this and 002. You solve this one?
0.0214.
0.02. Yes, that's correct, Ananya. Then why you were confused?
I don't know.
Huh? 0.0214. Now see, in all the question, what you need to do over here is, first of all, you will simply multiply. 7 twos are 14, 1 and 2 ones are 2, right? And rest would be 0, 0, 0. And here also 0, 0 and 0. So your answer is 0, 0, 0. Sorry, 2, 1, 4. Yes?
Okay.
Yes? Now after how many number the decimal is? Over here, ma'am, 2 numbers. And here also 2 numbers. So in total 4 numbers. Right? Yes? Everybody? Then you will put the number after 4. Okay? Clear? Everybody got
Yes,
this?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So 0.0214. Okay, now for this one, 8th one. Hepzibah, quickly do this one, 10th one. Sorry, not Hepzibah. Ananya, do the 10th one. Okay? Now 8th one, Hepzibah, you tell me. The 8th one.
Eighth one, I got 10.5525.
Yes. Everybody got this? 10.5525? Yes? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And Hassan, you tell me the 9th one. Hassan, you tell me the 9th one. Hassan, can you hear me? I can't hear you. Can you people hear me? Others?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Hassan, you tell me the 9th one.
Okay, ma'am. 1.0101.
Yes. Everybody got this? 1.0101. Okay, the 10th one. Uzair, you tell me.
Ma'am, 110.011.
Yes, 110.11. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I hope everybody is fine with this now, the multiplication. Anyone who has any doubt in this? Anyone who has any doubt? No? Okay. So now students, we are going to do the next one. Right? We are going to do the division now. Okay. So I hope nobody has any issues in multiplication now and we can move to the division. Anyone, if you have any doubt in multiplication, just let me know. Tell me, any doubt? No, right? Okay. So now let's just start. For example, we will be starting division now. Okay. So let's just see, ma'am, how we divide basically. For example, I'll give you two number. 89.1, right? Divided by 2.2. Okay, this is the question. They both are this number. Okay. So first of all, this is a decimal, right? So over here, what you are going to do, you are simply going to divide this by 22. Okay, clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Then simply you will divide it, and if you will remove this here, you will write multiply by 10 here, this here 10. Okay, this is how you can solve. Okay, or what personally I believe over here is, how I do is, I write it like this. I write it like this. Then I write it like this. 891 divided by 10. Because over here it's after one decimal. So I just wrote here 10. I removed this decimal. Divided by 2 divided by 10. Yes? Yes or no? Everybody got this, what I did?
Yes.
Anyone who is not getting it? Why I wrote 10 here? Do you know the reason?
Because it's after points 1 digit and that's 10.
Yes, very good. It is after only one number. That's why I wrote 10 here. In case if it is like this, 222, I would have written 100 because it is after 2-digit number, right? That's why you write it like this, and this is what you have to follow. Now, this scenario I have already taught you in the fraction. If these two come, how do you solve the division part? So you solve it like this: 8, 9, 1, 10 multiply by 10 divided by 22. Yes or no? Yes. So 10 and 10 got
Yes.
cancelled. You will try solving these two. If they got cancelled, what is left? 891 divided by 22. Yes. And then you will simply divide it with 22 table if you want. 891 divided by 22 table and get the answer. Fine. Everybody got this? What I am doing in division? Yes? No?
Okay.
Ananya, Hassan, Uzair, Hepzibah, and Aman. Got it? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
very good. Now, students, let's just see, for example, I'll do it and you people will tell me each step. Okay? For example, 2.51 divided by 2.5. Ananya, you tell me the first step. What should I write here? Hmm?
255. 251 into 25.
Into? What should I write in denominator?
100.
Then divided by, what should I write here?
25 by 10.
Yes. Okay, second step, Hassan, you tell me. Tell me, Hassan. Unmute yourself and tell me. Now this is a fraction, right? Hassan? Now how do we do it? What should I write here now? Who will tell me? Uzair, do you want to try? Hepzibah?
Then, ma'am, do you write multiplied by 10 by 25?
Yes. Got it, Hassan? Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Once you got in division, what you need to do, you write to here multiplication and you will reciprocate it. This will become here, this will come there and this will come here. Right? And then this 0 and this 0 got deducted. Now what is left? 251 and here 250. Yes? 25 multiplied by 10 gave you 250. Now you will solve this. Okay, so do you people, now you people are aware how to do the decimals? Division of decimal? Yes? Anyone who has any doubt in dividing the decimal, just let me know. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, right? Okay. So now I'll give you one question. Find the average of this. So before this, I would like to tell you the average, how to find the average. So what I'm teaching you right now is how to find the average. Okay. For example, Ananya, Hassan, Uzair, Hepzibah, and Aman. Right? I just, you people got this. 10, 10, 10, 10, 8, like this. Okay. And I asked you that what is the average that you people got. Okay. So what you are going to do? It will be 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 8. And how many students are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divided by 5. You will add this up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 48. You got 48 by 5. You will solve it and that will be your average. Clear? Yes?
Okay.
You people got how to find the average? You need to add all the numbers and divide it by the total number. Like how many numbers? In case if there are, for example, one more student. So there will be, he got 5. So here the total number will change and it will become 6. Clear? The average part is clear to everybody? How to find the average?
Yes.
Okay. Anyone who has any doubt? Uzair, Hepzibah, Aman, Ananya, Hassan?
No, ma'am.
Understood.
No? Any doubt? Okay, correct. Okay. So now let's just start. Now I'll give you this question. And for example, if I ask you people to add this, who will tell me what will be the answer?
Ma'am, 5.0.
Okay. What about others?
5.
Yes. So 5.0 or 5. So remember one thing. For example, 2.3 plus 2.4. Now do this.
Ma'am, 4.7.
Yeah. 4.7.
Yes, ma'am. 4.7.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody got 4.7.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How you people did? This?
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
or no? Sorry, but this is wrong. How come you write 24 and 2.3 like this? Where is the decimal here in 24? Is there any decimal in 24? Tell me, yes or no? Is there any decimal in 24?
No.
Then how come you got 4.7? So now I'll tell you one thing. A number which don't have any decimal. Right? The decimal, that means it has at the end. Okay? So if the decimal is not written in any number, that means it has the decimal in at end. So that means 2.3 and 24.0. Clear? So answer would be 4, 5, 6, 26.3. Fine? Got it? Students?
Okay.
Right? So this is
Okay,
not
ma'am.
4.7. In case if I would have given 2.3 plus 2.4, then it would have 4.7 because you would have written 2.3, 2.4, 4, 5, 6, 7, point and 2 to 4. So the answer would have 4.7. Clear?
Okay.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, find example number 5. Find the average of this. So you people know what is the average.
I finished.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, everybody finished? Anyone who is still doing? Okay, everybody finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So who will tell me like to find the average? It was 4.2 plus 3.8 plus 7.6 divided by Hepzibah, tell me.
3.
Yes. So after dividing, what you people got? After adding this, what you people got?
14.60.
Huh? 14.6?
Sorry, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Everybody got this?
Ma'am, I divided by 5.
Why? How many numbers are there? Huh? Tell me. You counted it 1, 2, 3, 4 like this.
Yes, ma'am.
No, you have to just see. I don't know whether you people can see it or not. You can see the comma here, which indicate that this is the first number, this is the second number, and this is the third number. That means like 1, 2, 3. In case over here, if there are 5 numbers, you will write 5. And in case there are 2 numbers, you will write 2. In case there are 10 numbers, you will write 10. So over here, there were 3 numbers. So what you will write here?
3.
Okay. And 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Who got 14.6? And who got 15.6?
Ma'am, I got 14.6.
6.
Okay, others? Everybody got 14.6.
No, ma'am, I got 15.6.
Yes. How come you got 14.6? Students, you people don't know how to add. Then I think I need to give you some adding, like the class where I'll teach you the multiplication, addition. I'll add you people in the 5th class batch then. Nah? Then we'll learn it over there. Then we'll again come to 8th class, 7th class. Okay? See, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right? So 1 would be carried here. 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and then 1 carry. So you got 15. And I'm
Yes, ma'am.
surprised everybody is getting, like, instead, like only one student got 15.6, others are getting 14.6. You forgot this, scary? Huh? So, what will be the answer? 15.6. And then I told you that whenever this comes, just write it like this. Right? So then, 156 divided by 10. This. Then, 156, 10 multiply by 1 by 3. Okay. So, in 3 table, 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, 3 twos are 6. Right? Yes. This one, new people are getting it. What I did. Right? So now 52 multiplied by 1 would give you 52 and 10 and 1 would give you 10. So the answer would be 5.2. Yes. Works. Everybody, anyone who has any doubts in this? We did everything here, na? Addition as well as the division. So I hope I have taught you addition. I have taught you division as well, right? Once you do it, just correct it, because see, it's basically the simple calculation, but the only thing is that when we see decimal, we start doubting ourselves whether we are right or wrong, right? That self-doubt comes to our mind. It's decimal, so we are not sure whether others, if I would have given you simply this 3876, you would have done the correct thing. But as because it's a decimal, people feel like we start doubting ourselves. So you don't have to doubt yourself. It's very simple. The only part is that where the decimal is, just put the decimal here. We are done. Okay. Okay. So now I'll just give you one more question. Okay. Let's see how you people do this. I'll paste it. Sorry, I'll paste it here. Okay. You people can see it, right? So the question says each side of a regular polygon is 2.5 centimeter in length. Okay. The perimeter of a polygon is 12.5. How many sides does the polygon have? So, do you know how to find this? No, no? To find number of sides, you people don't know how to find, right? Okay. So, I'll give you one formula. Okay. To find number of sides. Okay. You people can write it. Number of sides equals to perimeter divided by length of one side. Okay. So in this case, you have to perimeter is given, which is 12.5, and each side means every side is of 2.5. So perimeter was 12.5 divided by 2.5. Yes. So quickly solve this and tell me the answer. Okay, everybody. Okay, fine with everybody? What you people got? Done? Anyone who's still doing?